Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make Zobo or Sorrel drink. This is a tasty, nutritious juice made from dried hibiscus flower. This drink is so refreshing and has a lot of health benefits. So if you want to find out how I make this refreshing drink, stay tuned. To make this drink, I would like to wash the hibiscus leaf to remove dust, dirt or sand. So I'll add the hibiscus leaf into the bowl of water. I will wash and set aside. See some sand that settled at the bottom of the bowl. Because of the amount of sand that I noticed from the hibiscus leaf, I would like to wash the Zobo leaf again. So I'll quickly add them into the water, wash again. Keep washing it the second time. It's optional. Change the hibiscus leaf. I'll add some water into a pot. Add the washed hibiscus leaves. Add cloves. 1 stick of cinnamon. I'll also be using ginger, so I would like to grate the ginger. If you like, you can cut your ginger into pieces. Adding the ginger, I'll allow it to boil for about 15 or 20 minutes. During the boiling time, it's allowed to soften the hibiscus. I'll be using orange and pineapple. I have already washed the fruit, so I will peel and cut the fruit into smaller pieces because I will blend and extract the juice. Be free to use any fruit like strawberry, lemon or lime. I like to use ripe pineapple because of the great flavor and taste. The back or peel of the pineapple to cook the Zobo drink, but I don't want to use it. I will peel and cut the pineapple into smaller pieces because I'll be extracting the juice. When I'm done cutting the pineapple, I'll add them into the blender. Add the peeled orange. Some water. Cover the blender and blend into smooth puree. Then I'll pour the blended mixture on a sieve and allow to sieve. We'll set aside the pineapple and orange juice. About 20 minutes, turn off the heat. You will notice that the color have changed to dark purple. Allow it to cool. When it have cooled down, I will sieve. To get out all the juice. I will add the Zobo into the orange and pineapple juice. Stir to combine. Use any sweetener of your choice, but I'll be using honey. So I'll add 2 tablespoons of honey. Add according to your taste. I will stir so that everything will mix together. Finally, the Zobo or Sorrel drink is ready. You can enjoy this either hot or cold, depending on the weather. This drink is so refreshing, affordable, tasty and healthy. I hope that you try this. And thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.